A basic forge can be constructed to form a hearth to contain the fuel and a heat-resistant toyer or air pipe to blast oxygen into the fire and so increase its heat. With my forge I used a scrap cast iron lifting arm from a John Deere tractor, but any heavy casting with a hole to form a pipe is applicable. A simple fan, this time from an old refrigerator, is linked to the toyer by a combination of flexible and rigid pipe. Custom-made tools for all elements of building work can easily be made with basic skills in blacksmithing. The heated metal can be shaped to produce cutting or impact tools, or to modify existing tools to undertake specific tasks. Historically, the use of a side axe allowed for a close, even cut in timber, allowing precise dimensions to be formed without the scooping out of material that resulted from the use of curved blades. Side axes are still available, new, although conventional cutting axes can be reformed to perform the same role, with one side being flat and the other curved. Cold chisels are an essential part of any builder's toolkit, but a variety of sizes and lengths can greatly improve their versatility. Effective chisels can be made from reinforcing bar forged to the desired shape and length, and then hardened and tempered for use. Following the forging process, the grain or crystalline structure of the metal becomes distorted and vulnerable to cracking or damage. Cleaning of the surface removes distortions and undulations which can induce weakness and also allow for a more effective observation of temperature in the hardening and tempering process. The tool is reheated to approximately 800 degrees centigrade, which appears as a cherry red colour, and then it is placed into the coke to cool slowly and absorb carbon, which forms an iron carbide, which itself becomes very hard and gives greater wear resistance and longevity to the tool. However, this can become brittle, so the metal is reheated to temper it and integrate the carbon into the structure of the steel to allow it to become both ductile as an item but hardened at its work point. After cooling, the metal is again heated to cherry red and then quenched in cold clean water, agitated to avoid any stress cracking which could result from too regular a line between the immersed and unquenched sections of the tool. The metal is then repolished to allow the tempering process to take place, and this occurs by observing the colour of the steel moving down the workpiece to the tip. The colours change from pale yellow through pale straw and dark straw to a purple blue, which is ideal for chisels and punches. This equates to approximately 650 to 700 degrees in temperature. The tool is then requenched to achieve a hard cutting edge which can be sharpened, ready for use.